everyone, I'm Cathy. Welcome back. I'm going to be talking about how to develop speed in your left hand. I was just thinking out for me to demonstrate speed in the left hand. This is something you can do when you practice speed. I'm going to give you some foundational ideas of how to practice speed and then let you loose. Okay, the very first basic way to practice getting speed in the left hand. Easy, okay? The way is to use rhythms, long, short, short, long, so you can really practice and isolate that quick, this between two fingers. So I will demonstrate that with a D major scale, we will do short, long. Now you can do this. Like that, where you just go from one note to another. The other way is to do long, short. Do triplet. Okay, so it's up to you though. You can apply rhythms in different way. So we practice marginal, you use rhythms. Then the other way, which is just a little bit more creative. Take the exercise and just practice that faster and faster and faster. So you can develop the speed specifically between the fingers. Okay, so for example, when you practice speed, make sure your left hand it is always matching your right and that your right is very solid. Have your right always be solid and make your left match your right. That's the biggest secret for speed, cleanliness and coordination. Okay, so then do second fingers. See this exact same formula for the position. And then just practice it with speed. And you can do this in any position, on any string, on any day. Hope it helps you. See you very soon.